Cement or concrete splashes on a car can be very damaging if they are not removed quickly, as the alkaline material can stick firmly and may etch or scratch the paint. With the right cleaning methods, you can restore the car's surface without harming the paint. Start by rinsing the affected area with plenty of clean water to help soften the cement or concrete stuck on the car's surface. Use a hose or spray bottle to gently pour water over the cement and allow it to soak for about 10 to 20 minutes if the cement is already dry and hard. After rinsing and soaking the cement, apply car shampoo or a mild soap solution to the affected area. Use a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to gently wash the surface, focusing on removing any remaining cement particles without applying too much pressure. Work slowly and carefully to avoid scratching the paint while the loosened cement is wiped away. Once the area is clean, rinse it again with plenty of water to remove soap residue and check whether any cement particles are still stuck. White vinegar is sometimes used as a mild natural cleaning agent to help remove cement or concrete stains from car paint. To use white vinegar for removing cement or concrete from car paint, soak a soft cloth or sponge in the diluted vinegar solution and gently apply it to the cement-stained area. Allow it to sit for 2 to 5 minutes to help soften the hardened concrete. After that, carefully wipe the area with the soft cloth without rubbing too hard. Once the cement starts loosening, rinse the area thoroughly with clean water to remove vinegar residue and loosen particles, then dry the surface and check if any stain remains. Cement Concrete Dissolver Foam Spray is a specially designed cleaning product used to remove hardened cement or concrete from car paint safely. The foam spray works by chemically breaking down the alkaline cement particles and softening them, making it easier to wipe the residue without scratching the car's surface. To use it, spray the foam directly onto the cement-stained area and allow it to sit for a few minutes. After the cement begins to loosen, gently wipe it with a soft microfiber cloth and rinse the area thoroughly with clean water. After cleaning the cement or concrete from the car paint, applying car wax or paint protection is important to help restore the shine and maintain the quality of the paint surface. Car wax acts as a protective layer that enhances the vehicle's gloss while also helping to shield the paint from dirt, moisture, and minor chemical exposure. By using these tips, you can safely remove cement or concrete splashes from your car paint without causing scratches or permanent damage.